Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is what is the difference between customer experience and user experience. Many of my students have confusion, like they actually don't have clarity about the difference, like what is customer experience and what is user experience. So let me explain you in this video with minimum time. Like, customer experience is the experience of any person with any specific brand. So customer experience cover each and everything, all 360-degree interaction. Any mode of interaction between brand and customer is known as customer experience. It could be bad, it could be good, it could be excellent. Now, user experience. User experience is a experience of any user while interacting with any digital product. It could be website, it could be Android app, it could be iOS app, it could be any digital device which interact with human being. So let's take a small example, like for example DMart. Okay, DMart is a shopping market where they sell goods. Okay, so 70 or 75% of customer, what they do, they visit DMart store and they buy goods physically. They customer visit nearest branch of that specific store and they buy goods directly. Okay, so now the experience of customer and brand is directly between customer and brand, so it is known as customer experience. For example, I am visiting DMart and I am purchasing few products. Okay, so I purchased 2 or 3 products, but for billing it took more than 30 minutes. I have to stand in a queue for more than 30 minutes. So my customer experience with that specific brand may be bad because I purchased only 2 or 3 products, and for that specific product billing I have to stand for more than 30 minutes. For example, I purchased a product and I am not happy with that specific product, or that product is damaged, or that specific product does not meet my expectation. So I want to cancel, I want to refund, or I want to exchange for that specific product. So the exchange process of that product is very difficult. For example, so it took me 2 to 3 visits and too much times to replace. So my experience may be bad fit with that specific brand. So this is the experience between brand and customer. Now this is the entire circle of whole customer experience and customer with any specific brand. Now in this specific circle there is one small circle which we can say user experience. For example, now that DMart, for example, they launch a Android app or iOS app and they are telling that if our shop is not near you, so you can order online also through our website, through our Android app or iOS app. Okay, now while purchasing or while searching any product, while purchasing any product, if we are facing any difficulties, or while searching any product, if we are not getting the result what we expecting, so whichever experience we feel during using that specific digital product is known as user experience. So if my user experience is good as compared to physically visit any shop, to buy any specific product. So what my user experience is excellent. So next time what I do, I will try to buy things online from website, from Android app, from any specific digital device. Okay, so this is the difference. Like, customer experience is a overall experience of any individual with any specific brand, and user experience is the experience while using any digital product of that specific brand. And user experience may be bad, may be good, may be better, may be excellent. So this is the difference. User experience is a part of customer experience. Hope you understand. In this video I explained you in detail about customer experience and user experience. Still, if you have any question, you can comment, and related to any customer experience or related to any user experience, if you want to make me few more videos, definitely I will try my best to answer you. So please write those questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.